Have you ever wondered why different cultures have different food taboos? Or have you wondered what happens when we stop thinking about food as fuel or nutrients and we focus instead on culture, gender, politics, economics and religion? Ciao, I'm Clelia. I'm the chair of our program in food sustainability and environment here at Umbra. I've been working here since September 2021. I'm an anthropologist and my field of expertise is wine and food studies. This course will address food-related issues from an anthropological perspective. We will examine the role that food plays in shaping groups and social dynamics, but also personal identities. This course will focus on food as cultural heritage through an analysis of culinary tourism, the culture of restaurants, and processes of patrimonialization. Also, it will apply gendered perspective on the body and analyze power dynamics in Italian families through the consumption and preparation of food. Students will study food as a site of cultural transmission, but also as a site of dissent and resistance. The highlight of this course is a short ethnographic project on restaurants in Perugia. We will visit 3 different local restaurants and we will try to understand how food is sold as cultural heritage and as part of the local tradition of the city. So what I ask students to do is to bring a pen and a notebook during our dinners, and besides eating and drinking wine together, we are going to observe everything that is happening there, and in the end they have to make a reflection out of what they found out during these events. What we will do during these dinners is actually being anthropologists, which means taking notes of everything that is going on around us while we are eating and drinking, and then students have to report, to interpret their data at the end of it. So I hope to see you soon in my class.